box stories forevermore.
Once upon a time, in a realm filled with enchantment, there lived a courageous superhero named Superman Tom. Renowned for his bravery and kindness, Superman Tom was adored by all, but even heroes face extraordinary challenges that test their limits. One day, as Superman Tom soared through the skies above Willowbrook Village, he noticed something unusual. The usually bustling town square was eerily silent. As he descended to investigate, he witnessed a sight that made him gasp. Everything was frozen. The townspeople had become statues trapped in mid-action. Even the birds in the sky were frozen in their flight. Just then, a small dog wearing a red cape peeked out from behind a tree. It was Peter, Superman Tom's canine companion, known for his intelligence and loyalty. Peter winked softly, nudging Superman Tom's hand. Startled, Superman Tom looked round. He, too, seemed to be the only one who could move. Suddenly, Peter began barking frantically, pointing his nose toward the towering bell tower at the center of the village. Superman Tom understood. The clock on the bell tower had stopped, and its bell had fallen silent, which was responsible for keeping the flow of time in the village. Without its chime, time had stood still. As Superman Tom approached the tower, he noticed faint wisps of dark magic emanating from its peak. With determination, he flew upward, eager to unravel the mystery. But upon reaching the top, he found the clock face was missing, leaving behind only bare gears. At that moment, a mischievous voice echoed through the tower. Looking for this, a shadowy figure emerged from the clouds, holding the stolen clock face. It was the Clockwork Goblin, a notorious trickster known for disrupting the flow of time. Determined to restore order, Superman Tom engaged the goblin in a thrilling aerial chase. The goblin, swift and cunning, darted between rooftops, using his magic to slow Superman Tom and confuse his senses. However, Superman Tom was not easily deterred. With unwavering focus, he pursued the goblin, refusing to give up. Meanwhile, Peter, ever resourceful, tracked the goblin's footprints, following an energy signature only he could perceive. He led Superman Tom through secret passages and hidden pathways, determined to reclaim the stolen clock face. Finally, they cornered the goblin in a clearing. As Superman Tom closed in, the goblin unleashed a barrage of magical bolts, desperately trying to escape. But Superman Tom, with his super strength, deflected each attack, ensuring the safety of those around him. In a swift move, Superman Tom snatched the clock face from the goblin's grasp. The goblin, defeated and enraged, vanished into thin air, vowing revenge. With the clock face recovered, Superman Tom hurried back to the bell tower. There, with Peter's help, he carefully placed the clock face back in its rightful position. As the final gear was secured, time began to flow once more. The frozen townspeople stirred, blinking in confusion as life returned to normal. News of Superman Tom's heroic deed spread throughout the land, solidifying his status as a legendary hero. People marveled at his bravery and quick thinking, while Peter received treats and belly rubs for his keen observation skills. From that day on, Superman Tom continued to protect his town, always ready to face any challenge that threatened the delicate balance of time. And Peter, his faithful companion, was by his side ready to assist in any way needed. Together, they formed an unbreakable bond, proving that even the smallest of heroes can make a big difference. And so, the tale of Superman Tom and his dog Peter became a legend, reminding all who heard it that true heroism comes in all shapes and sizes, and that friendship and bravery can conquer even the most perplexing mysteries. The end. Moral of the story: time is precious. Use it wisely and don't procrastinate.